Why does my HVAC system work differently after replacing interior doors? Replacing interior doors can change how air moves through your home, affecting room temperatures, airflow, pressure, and system performance. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system needs a complete air path to work properly. Supply vents push conditioned air into rooms, while return vents carry air back to the equipment. Many homes use the space beneath interior doors as a hidden return path, especially when a room has no return vent. If a new door fits more tightly or has a smaller gap underneath, air may become trapped in that room. The room can then feel too warm or too cold, while other areas receive more airflow than before. Your system may also become noisier because the blower is working against higher resistance. A little pressure difference can cause air to leak through walls, ceilings, electrical openings, or duct joints, sometimes bringing in dusty attic or crawl space air. An interesting detail is that closing several doors can create a pressure problem even when the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning equipment itself is operating normally. To improve airflow, keep doors slightly open. Check whether the bottom gap is at least about 3/4 of an inch where appropriate, or ask a professional to add a return grill or transfer grill. One common mistake is assuming the new door is defective when the real issue is blocked return airflow, so compare room temperatures with the door open and closed. Another mistake is cutting a large gap under the door without checking privacy, fire, sound, or building requirements, so have the airflow measured before making a permanent change. People also sometimes increase the thermostat setting to fix one uncomfortable room, which can overheat or overcool the rest of the house. Instead, check filters, confirm that supply and return vents are open, and consider balancing the duct system. If you hear whistling or feel air rushing around the door, that is a useful sign that the room needs a better air path. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.